back at it again, day 2. Let's see how the guys are doing on the remodel. Let's go.
Oh.
Come on, dude. You know who it is.
I didn't know who it was. He could have been anybody.
Day 2 of torture.
In the day, Dr. Pepper.
In the morning, girl of mine.
And in the morning, I'm making waffles.
You're
gonna get that in my head. I don't think I have the things that I need. Now place, I was like, what the hell is that?
That,
I spray. I heard.
I haven't forgot about that.
Yeah, I saw that video last night actually. That's how he imagined that 700 pounds.
Something like this we'll glue tomorrow.
I have to get the fittings to come over and roll it. Yum. Just lay these out and then make a parts list and I'll be out of here. We'll be out of here as well.
All right, that wraps up day 2 of the remodel. We will be back tomorrow to go ahead and finish everything up. But until then, Andrew, sign us out for day 2, bro.
We're done. See you tomorrow. Thanks for coming.